And then you also have to line up where the body mounts to the frame go. That's pretty shot too. I don't think I can use anything there. So what I'm thinking of doing, I don't know, I'm not a good welder, I'm not a fair welder, and I'm not a bad welder because I've only welded once. But I do have the welding machine, MIG welder, and I'd use flux core because I really can't afford buying, what is it, C25 or I don't know, something like that. Tanks of it, or I'd have to buy a tank. I'd have to get it filled. Probably go through gas quite a bit.